Alright folks, good morning. This is Marcel. Happy Saturday. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 724 to Sacramento. We got a Union Pacific Railroad construction going on over here. So the trains are going very slow. So once again, this is Amtrak 724 headed to Sacramento with a cat car leading off. '8302 Mount Shasta leading off. SC 2102. That train is diverting over to the other track, and he is going to Sacramento. I'm Marcel Hall. Coming up next is Amtrak 727 to San Jose on 105th Avenue. Bye-bye. Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 727 to San Jose Theater Station. 105th Avenue crossing. That's an F59 PHI leading this one off. And she's flying too. 2010 leads off. But 8309, the Marcel train. Alright folks, they got that train headed to San Jose, heads up to Jack down there near Washington Avenue. 2010 and 8309, the Marcel train is coming your direction. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye.